What's up, guys? Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. This is our buddy Minion. He's been around for a very, very long time, since the first years of Blackout. He's a good dude. We take you behind the scenes, show you what's going on in the shop. All three shops, usually, no exception this week. I don't think we'll start in the tint bay. We've got a Honda Civic. I think we're retinting one window on this thing. I'm not sure why. I don't have all that info, but that's what's happening there. And then over here, we've got a Volvo XC60 we just finished a ceramic coating on. The sound that you're hearing is a beautiful sound. That is a Ferrari SF90, which we're about to show you in a moment. That is one of the most beautiful color combos I've ever seen on a car in my life. It is a dark, I think it's like a gloss British racing green, dark green metallic, gold wheels, camel interior, one off. He designed that color that he wanted on that thing. It is gorgeous. We did a full 10 mil wrap, windshield tint all the way around on the sides, ceramic coating, tinted the marker lights and the tail lights, and I think that's it. Interior ceramic too. Right behind John, we have a Cadillac Lyriq. This one got a ceramic coating. This belongs to Justin, Mr. Horsepower Obsessed himself, who just recently crossed 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Congratulations to Justin. We work very closely with him. He's our business partner in our Florida store. Dodge Ram, this one's prepped, ready to go for ceramic coating. It's on deck. And in front of that, our good friend Dakota brought us his GMC Sierra, the second truck for him this week. Really beautiful truck. Aaron keeps trying to talk me into getting a Denali instead of a Ram. Let me know. What do you think? I like my Rams. And we get to see the SF90 outside. Just look at it. I could stare at that thing all day. We've got a Jeep Wrangler in for window tint, a Yukon in for window tint. An Escalade belongs to our friend Jeff. We're doing a full PPF wrap, exterior windshield protection, windshield tint all the way around, ceramic coating on everything. We love Jeff. Jeff has done wonderful things for us before, helps us out a lot, supports us in business a lot. Thank you for that, Jeff. We have a Crosstrek beside that. This one's here for a coating. It will be going in today as well. And then a Super Duty, also for window tint. I bet the PPF guys are happy that with that hood, it's not here for PPF. It's got a giant hood scoop. Beside the Ferrari is the Tesla Model 3. This one's done, ready to go home. Got window tint, I believe, vinyl wrap on the pillars, the mirrors, PPF on basically half the car, front end, I think rockers and front doors, and a ceramic coating as well for our friend Ryan. And over here we have two cool things. Excavator, got tint all the way around. Just something cool about construction equipment with tint. Beside that, a Cadillac Blackwing. You guys probably saw this last week. It's got window tint on it now, some PPF, and it's getting a full wrap and coating. That should be done probably by the end of this week. And then the star of the show, you guys have seen this, actually probably not the star of the show with the SF90, but I love this car. If I was gonna take one around a racetrack, it would be this, not that. That one's prettier to look at probably, but this one's probably more fun to drive. We're about to haul this down to the convention center for the Pittsburgh International Auto Show. If you've ever seen our display there, you know we kick everybody's butt. It is awesome. Stop down, see the cars, see our work in person if you've never done that before. David L. Lawrence Convention Center this weekend, February 14th through the 17th. Come see us. See what's happening everywhere else.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up, we got a couple cars that are going to be featured at the auto show this weekend. We got Josh's Hellcat, his Gallardo, and one of our customers, Porsche, the GT3 RS. One vehicle that's in the shop this week for some work is this brand new Ranger Raptor. This got a full body paint protection film wrap and a 4-year ceramic coating. In the ceramic coating bay is a Dodge Durango. We did the 2 front windows on this in 20% to match the factory tint, and is next in line for a full paint correction and 4-year ceramic coating. In the tint bay, we got Cole working on a Model 3. This one is getting the side windows and the back window done in our Prime XR 20% tint. We got 3 more auto show cars here. First up is from our friends at Swickley Car Store. Brand new Audi RS6, got a full front paint protection film and a light Fusion Plus 1-year coating. And then of course Josh's new GT3 RS and Aaron from LATROBE, his ZL1. Again, check them out this weekend. We have these cars and many more coming to our booth. In the PPF bay, we have a couple pink vehicles. We have the 3 Series BMW and the Lexus RX. Both of these vehicles fully wrapped in Tech Wrap pink gold vinyl, topped off with 8mm Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Also in the PPF bay is this brand new Z06 from Justin at Horsepower Obsessed. A couple little nicks that were self-created on the PPF on the back, so we gotta redo some pieces on this before displaying it at the auto show this weekend. And last but not least is Jeff Lutz's Bel Air. This is gonna be a work in progress. We're gonna chip away at this as the month goes on, getting a full body PPF wrap and a 4-year coating. That is all for Gibsonia. Let's go check out what Felipe and the guys in Miami are doing.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. So here we have this Lamborghini Aventador SVJ that's here for a full removal of all PPF and reinstallation. Now, one of the things that you'll notice here is, you zoom into here, we're short on a lot of edges. The paint protection film has not been wrapped around the corners. We're missing a lot of crucial, important areas that need to be wrapped. Other areas like the front bumper, where this gap here in between front vents. So what happens there, if you don't cover all those areas while you're driving this car, it just starts getting beat up all up in those areas, and now you have unprotected areas that are now getting rock chipped and destroyed. You can actually see where the film was never trimmed back, and it's just kind of there hanging on, collecting dirt. Here we have an edge that was not wrapped in, so it's just kind of unprotected. Same thing with the back of the door. You can see the two edges there. So once we're done with the install, it'll be tucked in both sides, on the front of the door and the back of the fender, for maximum coverage. Here we have a little bit more film that's just kind of never got tucked, never got heat dried or anything like that. So we just have a lot of dirt built up in these little areas. All this is going to get removed and reinstalled for a beautiful finish. You can see here some of this is already being removed. This fender's already removed. Just kind of getting her ready so she can be beautiful again. Bronco's getting a full 10 mil xpel Ultimate wrap to protect it for the off-roading that the customer is going to be doing. I'm already installing the hood on this Bronco. This is going in 10 mil Ultimate Plus. It's going to give off-road protection that he's looking for. It's a beautiful Acura Integra that came in for headlight protection, mirror protection, and interior center console protection in our xpel Ultimate Plus. Center console is fully protected from that gloss black piano look, so it can last forever. I have this Model Y that's getting a full 8 mil wrap with a 8-year premium coating.
What's going on, guys? We're setting up at the Pittsburgh International Auto Show. We have a wide variety of cars being dropped off here, from stock cars to pro mods. This beautiful RS6 Avant in the background. We got the Shop GT3 dropped off, the Hellcat Charger Red Eye, as well as this gorgeous GT3 RS as well. It's got a pretty sick spec, different color to it. It's going to be pretty exciting. We have a lot more left to do. We're going to have a ton of different stuff set up to display. Flat glass booth, the trailer's going to be here, all sorts of different cars, and we'll be looking forward to talking to you and seeing you guys at the show. So stop down and check us out, and thanks for tuning in.